Khabar. Are you with me? Khabar means news. What is the meaning of khabar? News. But as I said, brother, in English, we have subject and predicate. Are you with me? But in Arabic, we have mubtada and khabar. Are you with me, brother? Subject, predicate. Subject means mubtada, predicate means khabar. Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, are you with me? Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, will have these two parts. There will be a subject and there will be a predicate. Now, in the beginning, we are dealing with simple sentences. As we go deeper and deeper, then we will be learning a lot more. Things will get a little complicated. But brothers and sisters, I have experienced something. The more the complicated a thing becomes, more interesting it becomes. It becomes very interesting. Because then, Arabic is like mathematics and algebra, like a science. Everything is scientific in Arabic. Brother, Arabic is such a beautiful language. And it's easy to learn. Remember my word. It's easy to learn. And I will prove it to you. But you got to work hard. If you don't work hard, then you will find it very difficult. But if you work hard, it's very easy, very enjoyable, brother. Very enjoyable. Okay, so we are going to learn more about nominal sentence. Nominal sentence has two parts. Are you with me, brother? And one is subject and one is predicate. And in Arabic, we'll say it has mubtada and it has got khabar. Fine, brother? I ask you something. Can you form a simple sentence in English, Sister Salma? Form any simple sentence. What did you say? This is a pen. Now, I think ye naya hai. What will you say? Al-kalamu jadidun. What will you say? Al-kalamu jadidun. Same thing here. Al-kitabu jadidun. Or if it is an old book, what will you say? Al-kitabu kadim. But remember, you always started with al. This is what I want to point out. If you make a simple English sentence, you'll always begin with the. We have never thought about it. But now you can think about it. You will always say, the car is beautiful. The car is new. The house is big. The boy is intelligent. The girl, the girl is beautiful. Okay? The chair is new. The chair is broken. The house is broken. You will always start with, what did you start with? The. It means you started with a definite noun. So it means subject is always definite. It means mubtada will be always definite. Are you with me? Mubtada will be, most of the time, it is definite. Sometimes it will be indefinite, but most of the time it will be definite. And then, brother, what about the khabar? Khabar will be most of the time indefinite. The house is new. Now, mind you, when you say new, it's an adjective. So you won't say a in it, because it's an adjective. But if I say Muhammad is a doctor. So what will you say? Muhammadun tabibun. So tabibun is a indefinite. Are you with me? If I say Muhammad is a student, what will you say? Muhammadun talibun. Did you see talibun? Muhammad is definite, but talibun is indefinite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, more example, brother. Haza baytun. Are you with me? Baytun, a house. But haza, okay, actually it is definite. We are not going to go in detail now, but later on we will explain you that even haza is a definite. Because when you point out to something, it is something particular. But we will go in detail later on. Pardon me if I sometimes go in some details, but don't worry. Whatever you can retain in your mind, you retain it. Now I come to the conclusion, brother. The mubtada will be most of the time definite. And the khabar will be indefinite. Rule number 1. Sister Salma, rule number 2. Are you everybody listening? Brothers and sisters? Mubtada will always be marfu. Are you with me? Mubtada will always be marfu. What is the meaning of that? It will end with a dhamma. See, now we are coming, right away we are coming to what we were trying to say in the beginning. That noun can be marfu, can be mansub, and can be majroor. Are you with me? Sister Naima? Noun declines. Are you with me, sisters? Noun declines. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, or it can be majroor. Now, as I said, we want to know why they are marfu and mansub and majroor. So if it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. Khalas. Got the idea, brother? If it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. And if it is news, khabar, then also it will always be marfu. I repeat again. Nominal sentence has 2 parts. What are they, Sister Naima? Subject and predicate. I am using English so that you don't get gabrified. Okay? I will use English also. But by the time you are in book 2, you have everything in your mind, inshallah. Inshallah. Then you will love to say Arabic terms, So, sisters, Jumla Ismiya, nominal sentence has 2 parts. One is subject and other is predicate. In Arabic, one is mubtada and other is khabar. Now I am telling you the subject is always marfu. Means it will end in a dhamma.